I've had a career-long interest in brain-gut interactions. We are a living organism with two components, with a microbial and a human one. These 40 trillion non-human cells in the darkness of our intestine that we can't see, and even if they would come out, you couldn't see them because they're so tiny. It is the most complex system in our bodies. It has 70% of all of our immune cells. It has the majority of our hormone-producing cells. It has 150 million nerve cells in it, and all these cells interact with each other. This system in our gut is closely connected with our brain. It gets influences from our diet. It gets influences from our brain. Any emotion will influence what these microbes produce. And it's even influenced by exercise. Depending on what you feed it, what the microbes make out of this food has a major influence downstream on our gut, on the immune system, on these nerve cells in the gut, on the hormone-producing cells. A diet that consists largely of plants, fruit and vegetables, provides things that are optimal for our microbes and optimal for our own health. If you have an emotion, a lot of people will feel this emotion in their gut. So when they're anxious, when they're happy, when they go on their first date, they will feel the butterflies in the gut, and so both negative and positive things you will feel. So these are gut sensations. There's not a day that goes by without some prominent person talking about his or her gut feelings or having made a decision based on their gut. I've come up in my first book with this concept that over a lifetime, the brain-gut axis generates this huge database of little video clips that are all associated with an emotional component. And they're stored most likely within the brain. We don't know exactly where. Our brain can access instantaneously this vast database, just like when you type in the first letter of a word into a search engine. I think that's what happens with our vast database of stored gut feelings and gut sensations. We should teach our children to get better in listening to their gut feelings and communicating with that very complex system that we have.